Hello everyone! Welcome to Simple Matrix, a series of tutorial videos outlining a variety of Matrix AI network functions. The first set of Simple Matrix videos will focus on the Matrix Web Wallet. This video demonstrates how to use AI applications in the Matrix Web Wallet. Before getting started, please type wallet.matrix.io in your browser. We suggest using Google Chrome. This will bring you to the Matrix Web Wallet. With that out of the way, let's look at how to use AI applications in the Matrix Web Wallet. First, choose your preferred method to open your wallet. If you don't yet have a wallet, we have another Simple Matrix video that you should watch first. The link is in the description below. After successfully opening your wallet, click AI Application. There are 3 AI applications at present, namely lung cancer diagnosis, pose detection, and object detection. Here we take lung cancer diagnosis as an example to show you the operation process of AI applications. Before you start, you need to prepare a complete set of industry standard DCM compressed files of medical images. Then click Start. Click Upload and select your DCM compressed file. After successfully uploading the file, tick This AI task will use your MAN and click Submit. The AI diagnosis results will be received within 5 minutes after the transaction is sent. You can view the results as follows. Visit the Matrix blockchain browser at tom.matrix.io. It is also recommended to use Google Chrome here. Enter the wallet address that just initiated the AI application into the search bar. Click the Search button on the right side of the search bar. You can see that a minute or so after sending the AI transaction, you received the AI diagnosis results. Click the hash value of the transaction. This allows you to view your lung CT scan results as diagnosed by our AI algorithm. Pose detection and object detection AI services function in essentially the same way as the lung cancer diagnosis. The major difference is that you upload pictures instead of CT scans. And that's it. If there are any other specific features you would like to learn about, please let us know in the comments below. See you next time!